So hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can fix Brave browser background play not work. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please consider like the video and subscribe the channel. So guys, let's start the video before wasting any time. So guys, to fix this problem you need to watch video till the end and follow my step carefully.